What's up, buddies? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Cardano attack, guys. Guys, this is very urgent video for all of you. Absolutely going to be important for all Cardano holders. So keep watching this video complete. Now let's start the video, guys. If you are new in my channel, so please subscribe now our channel for more news and updates videos about Cardano attack. Positive 11.63% changes occur in the Cardano. 3.09 USD dollar is the highest price of Cardano in the market. Other side, guys, if we talk about the changes occurs in the Cardano, so absolutely the changes going wrong in the Cardano. Not only in the Cardano, the whole cryptocurrencies market. I mean that the XRP, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Vichin, a lot of cryptocurrencies price is completely going down. I mean going in the lows, guys. So that's why in this video I'm talking about the price of Cardano. You can see here from this that's clear that the last 30 days highest price is about 3.09 USD dollar, and now the live price is about 2.4 USD dollar. So approximate a 1 USD dollar falls occur in the price of Cardano just in the last 1 week, guys. Now, guys, if we look the latest situation, so I think that they are still in the false mode. You can see here, guys. Now they break the support line, so possibilities, guys, that the price of Cardano more dumps. The price of Cardano more dumps in the future, guys. So that's why, guys, now my prediction is going wrong about the Cardano. Now maybe friends, that after 1 week, after 5 days, the price changes will become positive, guys. Otherwise, now in a right now situation, they are in the negative changes. So what you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about Cardano? Please also share in the comment box. And guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.